checkpoint. Thank you very much for being with us, Corporal Henson, and congratulations to you. Tell us a little bit more about the checkpoint where you were based, because I think you were the lone medic there.
Yeah, I was at the checkpoint side of Dog with 1st Battalion Scots Guards 11 Platoon. And yeah, it's a very small checkpoint and a lot going on.
A lot going on is a very modest way of putting it. Give us a sense of some of the action that you saw and what you were dealing with. No worry, we'll wait for the helicopter to go past. Try again for us. I think it's better now.
Yeah, there's another one coming in. There's a lot going on as civilians.
Okay, there we are. You see the military in action there for Corporal Henderson, struggling a little bit with the helicopters coming and going. Let's try and return to her in a few minutes.